Yeah, it's a little bit chilly here in San Francisco, and like I said, you want to leave yourself some time to figure out where to go. Right now I'm trying to figure out where to go for the international terminal, and I'm just following the signs like a numbnut. So we'll see what happens here. So I got the sign. I'm just following signs, man. I don't know where I'm going. It's late at night, so as you can see here, there's not really too much going on. I got the up in there. Does it say international? I know I'm supposed to take like a tram or something. I remember that, taking a tram. Or was that Las Vegas? No, I'm pretty sure that was here. All terminals, trains to city, and rental cars. Man, oh, international terminal. Okay. Gates A1 through A12, and I think that says, that sign says I have to take a tram, so, yep, taking the tram. All right, just rock and roll. So relaxed here, though. There's like really nothing going on late at night. It's about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I think my flight leaves around 12:25, so I'm really in good shape here. All right, going to the international. Yeah, I remember now because I have to use the AirTran, so that's going to be on the upper level. So that's where I'm going right now to get to the international terminal. Quite honest with you, I mean, I really like the San Francisco rail system. It's quite efficient and gets you where you need to go. So that's where I'm heading with my robe. I look like a derelict. That's all right. I don't care. I'm going up yet another level. This is like 1, 2, third level. SkyTrain is really high up there, guys. It's just really at the very top. It says chilly outside, so anytime you're in San Francisco, definitely around this time, and this is April, bring a jacket. Or like me, bring a bathrobe. But yeah, it's a really long escalator going down. And you can see up here, this is where the level is where the train comes in. I just got to find the one for international, and I'll be good to go. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I like that. So look at the cars, how they go around like that. They kind of spiral around. It's almost like a tide pool. They just kind of spiral down and spiral down and spiral. That's kind of cool. Like a little, almost like a roundabout, I guess. Just a massive one. It's pretty cool. All right. All terminals, BART, and rental cars. Okay, I got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. So I'm gonna get over here and wait for the next one to come by. Meantime, you get a really cool look at the airport from here, or at least the ceiling. I think that's the original SFO right there. That building, yeah, that's like the original one. Kind of in the curvature, which you'd expect from a lot of airlines in the early day. They were curved, so you can just kind of go in and out to kind of help process people. But that's kind of cool. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the monorail. And it's cold. It's breezy and it's cold, so I'm glad I. Whoosh. Woo! Yeah, I just got into the.
Please hold on.
Tranrail system here, and we're heading over to the terminals. Now, if you do get lost or confused,
Terminal 2, American Airlines and Alaska.
Oh, Terminal 2 is here.
Elevators located.
Next will be Terminal 3, and then International Terminal, which is where I'm going. Cool beans. And see, approaching Terminal 2. Please hold on. Everything's pretty informative in here.
American Airlines and Alaska.
Yeah, so you really shouldn't have any problems trying to get around here at all, which is kind of cool.